So today, thank you for joining us on the channel, and we're going to be showing you some lovely fresh wheatgrass. We started this off in the home, inside, and then over the last few days it's been so lovely outside that we put it outside and it's absolutely shot up. So I'll just show you, this is about 7 to 8 inches long, and if you look down here you can see where the compost and the roots are. Now these have grown up nicely and they've reached the jointing stage. In fact, if we left this to go on any longer, it would probably be too tall, and then if it gets too tall, you lose what nutrients that you would have in there from a young plant, and also the juice can taste a little bit bitter. So we're going to cut this now, just to show you how to cut it. You want to cut it down low because the nutrient is in the lower part of the plant as well. So we're going to take this out because we're going to obviously wash it, just to clean it up a little bit. Now we're cutting this in here, cutting it nice and low. And some people, they do go on and get a second crop out of crops like this. The crop, I find the second crop, sometimes if you haven't used a liquid fertilizer on it, it will actually look a little bit paler, and there is a drop in nutrients on the second crop. But if you're stuck for room to grow it and you need to do a second crop, I would advise spraying this pad of compost with some liquid fertilizer, perhaps a seaweed fertilizer or something like that. So as you can see, I'm cutting it fairly short, and we've got lovely, beautiful, fresh wheatgrass. I can tell you, it feels really wonderful in my hands at the moment. I can feel the energy in the plant. It's going to be fantastic. So I'm cutting along. Now this will probably be enough just to show you how we juice the wheatgrass in our single auger masticating juicer. Look at that, lovely and fresh. I used rainwater when it was outside that we collected in a butt, and the plants absolutely have shot up and they just feel wonderful. So we'll see you in the next video, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this beautiful fresh wheatgrass quickly now, and then we'll put it into our single auger masticating juicer, which is over here, and then we'll do another video to show you how these wonderful juicers work. So if you've enjoyed this video and you've got some value out of it and you've learned something, perhaps you would give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please feel free to leave a comment to let us know where you are on your wheatgrass journey. Thanks for watching.